Autodesk Inventor is a solid modeling design software used for creating precise 3D models. The models are used in the design, visualization, and simulation of products. This video introduces you to the Inventor basics. When you complete this video, you will understand file types and the ribbon and browser functions. Inventor has three primary file types: parts with a .ipt file extension, assemblies with a .iam file extension, and drafting documents with a .idw or a .dwg file extension. A fourth file type, called a presentation file with a .ipn file extension, is used exclusively for creating exploded projections of assemblies. Note, Inventor LT does not have assembly or presentation files. Referencing a file in another file associates them in the database. For example, you create a part and then detail it in a drawing file. These actions link the files. If you edit the part file, the drawing file updates to show the change. The area across the top of the screen is referred to as the ribbon. It contains the commands used to create and modify the shapes. If you pause over a ribbon command, an image is displayed along with information about the command and a direct link to the help topic. The browser, located on the left side of the screen, contains the history of the model. Use this area to modify the shape of a part after creation. Right-click an entry in the browser to edit. Sometimes it is preferred to select an entity to edit directly in the graphics window. Use the Quick Access toolbar to set a selection filter, or press Shift with the right mouse click to change the filter on the fly.